Hello and welcome to the 100 Day Arts Challenge. This video is number 87 of 100. And just like the last few videos, I'm going to be doing oil painting and from the reference images that I've taken from the series Deadwood. The reason why I'm still doing oil painting is, if you haven't seen the recent videos, I've been basically oil painting with linseed oil, and I need to learn how to get out of that bad habit and instead use a thinner, so turpentine for example, and that's what I've been getting used to. It's a basic, obvious, easy thing that everyone does, use a thinner. I never did that, and it was because of one artist who I interviewed who said that she used linseed oil. And I was curious because I thought I don't really want, anything which is toxic in the air and making it difficult to breathe, and I don't have the best ventilation, so I will just use linseed oil, that'll be fine. And I did, and I loved it, but then I noticed that every painting I made was very glossy and sparkly, and I wanted to have thinner and less sparkly, less kind of shiny paintings when I'd finish them. So I asked a friend's advice because I always struggled. I had some problems at first with my white spirits because it was out of date, and so it was just bubbling up and not mixing with the paint very well. It was reacting very strange on the palette and on the canvas, where it would be bubbling and it would separate all of the paint into little flakes. And initially I thought it might be the paint or something like that, 'cause it's old paint, but no, it wasn't. It was the white spirit. So here it is. I am now using terps. What I've just done is put down a ground that was using raw umber and ultramarine blue as a mix to make a dark brown, and then I drew the outline of the character, got some terps on a serviette and wiped away the light. And then when I'm left with lighter areas, I now go back in with a terpsy mix of the same dark brown and start to draw in some of the darker details with a smaller brush. I really enjoy this process of painting because it feels like drawing, and for the longest time I didn't do oil painting because I was concerned that it wouldn't offer me what drawing did. And it really is just a different form of drawing. I mean, I use brush pens when I draw, so that's not too different than painting. And then just making friends with colour and tone is just a case of practice and being tough on yourself. The reason it's not just practice in my experience is that if you're not tough on yourself with your results, then you might stagnate in a style that you'll keep forgiving yourself for making mistakes, and I'm constantly very critical of my own work. For example, this piece, I don't mind this piece, but to be tough on myself, this is not flattering to the actress in the reference image. I could do with spending longer on paintings like this. Now this is just a sketch, so I don't mind too much, but some of the proportions are wrong, and the light that I've added to her face, some of it is too sharp and it needs softening, and that's just a couple of things. There's lots of things that I need to improve on, so I am noting these things. I'm not just accepting the mistakes that I'm making, but I'm accepting the fact that for a very quick sketch that I need to do in between doing several other jobs, I'm accepting that this is the painting that I've done for the challenge today. It's just become a bit tricky, sadly, to do the challenge at this point because of other jobs that take priority. But I do enjoy this type of painting, and I'm looking forward to spending longer on painting like this instead of rushing through it and just trying to get it done, which is sadly what I'm doing at the moment. I'm just trying to fulfill the brief of doing a painting a day. It would be nice to spend longer on a painting and really invest time into making it look good. But it's given me bits of ideas and bits of experience and getting me more familiarised with the terps and oil painting process and how it works, and I'm becoming a bit more efficient because of the time constraints, but I'm looking forward to spending longer on painting so that I can refine them more and get a lot more of a pleasant and softer finish to some of the textures and tones that I'm introducing to the subject. And you can see on her face some of the light there is very sharp and it makes it unflattering. But some of the details on the dress I don't mind, as much as it's very abstract. I think that I quite like abstract things on clothing. Obviously, if it were zoomed out a bit, I'd like it to appear less abstract, but then up close be, really not the most figurative, rendering of what I'm actually doing on the surface there. But so I'm enjoying the subject matter because I really like the programmed Deadwood, and I like the fact that the last few paintings I've made all sit together on a shelf and have a similar palette. They're all kind of browns and very warm colours, so I'm looking forward to having more of those on the shelf. And in the future, I think I'm going to try and create work which does similar things to what this colour palette does, because I do enjoy the aesthetic of the darker colours. It just reminds me more of more classical painting like Rembrandt or people like that, who it's perhaps because of aging that their paintings became brown, but I quite like how it looks, and that's what I'd like to do in the future. Some of this finish was quite tricky, and I was trying to fiddle around, and I think if I would have taken a little bit longer I could have done better, but as it is, I just had to call it a day. And so the mouth here was quite tricky to do, and the eyes weren't, or the skin tones I should say, weren't blended in correctly, and also the eyes weren't, you can see that one of the eyes is lighter than the others and than the other, and they're slightly different sizes. So I'm not happy with the finish of this, but it's just going to have to make do for now, and it's going to have to be a quick sketch. It's been a very busy day, but I do enjoy this subject. As I said, I do enjoy going through the Deadwood images. I'm looking forward to doing more. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.